You're bidding on a Star brake riveter. I believe this is a Model 50. This is like the most deluxe one that they made. Here's some bits here. Here's the grinder, the metal grinder. It takes a sandpaper roll or whatever. It's coarse. We can't get it to work. The motor hums, so you take it from there. That says number 15 on that. This is a number 50. It's got the taker outer and the rivet remover, and this is the riveter magazine. There's some rivets. Vacuum. This belt is off. I don't know. And this turns. You can see. That's the grinder. What happens when we turn the wheel? Nothing. This flywheel. Nothing. Okay. Well, this is what it is. Very nice piece of equipment. We'll have shipping instructions and dimensions in the ad. Good luck bidding.